G'day, my name's Peter Murray. I'm a Wildlife Science Associate Professor and I work at the Hidden Vale Wildlife Project. This is the Billabong behind me. It's been an old farm dam that's been converted for a purpose really for conservation. Conservation of water birds primarily, but also all the little animals that live around the dam. We've had 6 new water birds come back in the last 12 months, and in total we've had over 70 bird species recorded in this site alone. You'll notice behind me there's some flowering acacias. These are actually our first stage of rehabilitation. It's a long process because this was a very bare landscape. We're actually doing a lot of planting and regrowth to allow more birds to come back. We're in the end of a long drought at the moment, and you can see the water level behind me, but it's actually low, and the other 2 dams are actually very low as well. And it very much depends on rainfall, and when rain is abundant we get a lot of bird life, and you're not seeing it at the moment, but it will be here when you come.